Hello all, welcome back to Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see about intelligent transport system. This project is about intelligent transport focuses on developing a driver drowsiness detection system aimed at preventing accident caused by fatigue. It integrates additional safety features such as hum detection, speed limit monitoring, SMS alert with vehicle geolocation, and predestination detection. By using machine learning and OpenCV, the system analyzes the driver eye movement to detect drowsiness and identifies road humps, ensures speed compliance, and alerts pedestrians. The report highlights the real-world implementation and suggests improvement for optimizing system effectiveness and ensuring drivers condition. I'll explain in the introduction now. In introduction, the interaction of human physiological and current technology, particularly focusing on transportation, the humans have continuously invented machines to make life easier, and transportation is a prime example of this. The humans have continuously invented machines to make life easier, and transportation is a prime example of this. For daily commutes to long distance travel, technology has significantly improved our mobility. However, as our reliance on transportation grows, so does the responsibility to ensure safety. Staying alert while driving is crucial, as neglecting this duty leads to numerous accidents every year. So, driver drowsiness is such a overlooked danger. Even though it seems minor, falling asleep or being over fatigued while driving can result in devastating consequences. Many researchers have proposed solutions such as driver drowsiness and detection system to prevent accidents caused by fatigue. However, existing systems can sometimes lack accuracy, which opens room for improvement. This project aims to address those limitations by developing more reliable and comprehensive systems, providing a perspective on enhancing safety and minimizing risk on roads. Here's a problem statement. A problem statement highlights the significant issue of driver fatigue, which remains a largely unaddressed safety concern worldwide. Unlike alcohol or danger impairment, which can be easily detected through established tests or clear indicators, fatigue is much harder to measure or observe. Its subtle nature makes it challenging to identify, and there are no widely available or reliable tests to access it in real time. As a result, many accidents caused by driver drowsiness continues to occur. The best current solution, including raising awareness about the dangers of fatigue related accidents and encouraging drivers to acknowledge and act when they feel fatigued, but more proactive technology measures are needed to effectively tackle this problem. Here, our objective of this project to develop a system that uses a machine learning algorithm to detect driver drowsiness and enhance road safety through various features. The system leverages OpenCV for face detection and employ convolution neural network to analyze face features and determine if the driver is showing sign of drowsiness. Additionally, the system includes pedestrian detection, speed limit monitoring, and SMS alert with the geolocation to notify the relevant atrocities or contacts in the case of any issue, ensuring a comprehensive safety solution for drivers and road users. Yeah, this is our proposed statement here. Here we saw the metrics will be measured by your code, and here will be analyzed whether you're feeling drowsiness means no, and it will check again. If you have yes means, it will go as SMS alert, and it will check others. Now I will show you our main code. This was our main code here. This is nothing but here we give a eye aspect ratio. It calculates or monitor driver drowsiness based on your facial landmark and uses a video stream for webcam to analyze your eyes and trigger alerts with certain test threshold value. And here we have give your object detection code. It could detect the real-time object, whether it's a person or some other objects, it will be detected using this. And here we give a vehicle speed estimation, estimate your speed vehicle using a cascade classifier to detect car and tracking. Meanwhile, here we give a pathway detection. So it initializes a separate function to protecting path rule. Although it work properly, I gave you our video. So based on this video, it will detect the path rule, and these are the reads we are given here. Now I'll run this. First, I will go for open camera. That's object detection. Yeah, this is for driver drowsiness. If I close my eyes a little, it could send you a message, alert message like this. Now it's object detection code that is real time. You can see this person here's my phone, cell phone like this. It would detect the object. And this is for speed limit. You can see the car is traveling up to 7 kilometers per hour. Likewise, it will work. It's for real patrol. This is a video. You can see this. These are patrol detector weights. Yeah. This is how it works. Thank you for watching our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. For more Python videos, you can follow our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channels. If you have any doubt regarding this project, you can leave a comment in comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.